Pretty cool, huh, Megan? Was that a hummingbird?
Yeah. Did you
see how little it's see their wings move so fast, so they're able to stay right in. They don't have to keep flying like a regular bird. They can stand still. They keep their wings flapping.
Say hi, Grandpa.
Grandpa. Say hi to the camera.
Huh? Look at the camera.
It's a video camera. Look how pretty their backyard is.
I know, it's so beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Why are you taking it?
So we can remember how pretty it was when we leave. Very pretty.
Mommy, you gotta see there's more flowers in the back.
Yes, there is.
Don't push on the
Don't push on the screen, Pumpkin. Okay.